Most people think you need a massive inheritance or some millionaire mentor to retire early. Here's how to retire in just 7 years, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. No trust fund, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just smart moves and consistent action. First off, you've got to understand that retirement doesn't mean sitting on a beach doing nothing. It means having the freedom to do whatever you like, without needing a job to pay the bills. So how do we get there from zero? You need to stop trading time for money, because if you're getting paid by the hour, you're always capped. And let's be honest, minimum wage won't cut it. You need to build assets. Things that make you money, even while you sleep. But to buy assets, you'll need cash. Year 1 is all about one thing: building your capital engine. Get a job, any job, and stack cash like your life depends on it. You can Uber, deliver food, flip stuff on eBay, pressure wash driveways, start a basic side hustle. But here's the goal: save at least $20,000 in year 1. That means living cheap. No $6 coffees, no designer shoes. Sleep on a mattress on the floor if you have to. Once you've saved 20 grand, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Next, we invest. Now it gets interesting. You take that $20,000 and start learning and earning. Put $10,000 into a low-cost index fund like VTI or VOO. These track the whole market. Historically, they return about 10% annually. Take the other $10,000 and start a cash flow business. Something small, scalable, and lean. That could be dropshipping with a real product focus, a faceless YouTube channel, or a service business like social media management. The goal is to turn that $10,000 into $50,000 or more in 2 years. You're reinvesting profits into either growing your business or buying more assets like dividend stocks, REITs, or rental property. By year 4, you've got momentum. Now you're earning $5,000, maybe even $10,000 a month from your business or investments. Here's the trick: don't increase your lifestyle. Keep your expenses low and reinvest like a maniac. Buy cash-flowing assets, acquire rental properties, scale that business, compound every dollar. By year 7, if you've played it right, you'll have $500,000 or more net worth, passive income over $5,000 a month, and the ability to quit your job forever. That's retirement. Not because you're 65, but because you're financially free. There you have it. From zero to financial freedom in 7 years. It's not magic, it's mindset, discipline, and taking action when others are just scrolling. Make sure to like and subscribe.